Hello, I wanted to show you today the Celine Dephare. It's a new car and a Chase Edition car. It was released from Kmart and only sold there, and it was released with the other Silver Racer series with Francesco and Raul and Lightning and Jeff Gorvette and others. And she was also released with the new Acer with Torch, which is also a Kmart exclusive. Celine, she's a pretty cool car. Let's open her up. She's honestly, in this scene in Cars 2, she's a little on the creepy side. She's the only car to have eyes in her headlights. And if you can see, her eyes are a nice blue tint. They almost look like they were made of glass. Her wheels are made of plastic, not rubber. She's got a good detailed paint job. You see all the rust on her, and even on her trunk. She has a detailed license plate, and of course rolling wheels.